Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got another pricing video for you, so please stay tuned and we'll go through it. So welcome back. Thanks again for tuning in. Donnie D here. So today we're going to be talking about a marble mosaic backsplash installation. I did this project back in March 2021, so as far as the pricing goes, it will reflect this year 2021. I'm recording this video in October 2021, so just for future reference, pricing may vary and change in the future, but this is where it was at the time of this project. So if you just want to know how much the client invests in a project like this, or what it took, whatever, just fast forward to the end. But otherwise, I'm just going to go through step by step here what the process was. So if you want to see that, please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to go through the clips here. They're just photos of the project and comment on each step. So this is what the backsplash looked like before. The client, has a countertop there. They wanted to leave that small backsplash there, so no problem, leave it there. This is the job site, protect everything, the counters, the floors, that way everything is clean when we're done. Here's a picture of a template. I actually laid out this whole tile on the floor here and templated, so I pre-cut everything and then installed it. And like I said earlier, this is a marble mosaic tile. So anytime you work on marble tile, they tend to be very, very soft tile, so it's very time consuming cutting them. You got to go really slow so nothing breaks, and when you're talking with really small mosaics like this, it's even more critical. So that's why I like to take the extra step and just template everything. It's not something that has to be done, but it makes my life easier and actually comes out that much better. All the cuts are clean, ready to go. You don't have mortar all over the place. So another picture of the template there. That was a really, really long one. Whole length of the wall there, all held together by hot glue. What I also did is actually prime the backsplash wall there. It's not something you have to do, but in this case I felt like it was needed. So everything was protected, pulled out the outlets, and then painted this on there. This gives a really good surface for the mortar to bond to, so really can't go wrong with that. That was all done before any tile went up. Here's all the tile up on the backsplash. So everything is, I pre-sealed it before I installed it, and I grouted it in. We got marble pencil trim pieces on the outside edges. So this is what it's gonna look like when everything is said and done. So now, if you've been here this whole time, you're wondering, well, Don, how long did it take you and how much did this client spend? So as far as who supplied what, the client handed me the tile, the caulking, and color matching caulking and silicone, and the grout. I handle all the setting materials, protection, things like that. So I'm gonna get to everything right now. Stay tuned. Alright, so the moment you all been waiting for. So I have a total of 27 hours on this project and about 4 days total on site for the project. So some days are longer than others, but my average hours, one day was 5.75 hours, one was 7.25, one was 7.75, and one was 6.25. So I got drying times, things like that. So a total of 27 hours, 4 days. Now, as far as the investment, the client supplied the tile and other things I mentioned before. They invested a total of $3,100. Once again, $3,100. So that's what this project costed. This is definitely going to be one of your higher end installs. Anytime you have a stone tile, crazy pattern tile, herringbone, glass tile, things like that, that's going to be on the higher end of the install. So I hope you got something out of this. If you have any questions or I can help you with your project, please feel free to reach out and we'll go from there. Thanks again for tuning in. Donnie D, signing off.